Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Erika Prihatin. I will be presenting my midterm test in academic speaking for scientific purpose with the lecturer Sir Hadi. The title is Gathering Materials. In gathering materials, we have 5 points for outlines. First, using your own knowledge and experience. Second, doing library research. Third, searching the internet. Fourth, interviewing. Fifth, tips for doing research. Using your own knowledge and experience, capitalize on your own knowledge and experience in developing speech topics. When you choose a topic from your own experience, outside information is almost always necessary. Supplementing it with the personal touch can really bring your speeches to life. In doing library research, we can get information from the librarians, the catalog, reference works, newspaper and periodical databases, and the last, academic databases. Resources to help you find what you need in the library are librarians, the catalog, reference works, and databases. Librarians are experts in their own field, trained in library use and research methods. If you have a question, don't hesitate to ask a librarian. The catalog lists all the books, periodicals, and other resources owned by the library. Reference works are often kept in a part of the library called the reference section, though some are now available electronically. Newspaper and periodical databases allow you to locate articles in thousands of publications, including Time, Atlantic, the New York Times, and the Wall Street Journal. Academic databases make journals of expert available to you. And searching the internet. When searching the internet, we can use search engines, specialized research resources, and evaluating internet documents. There are numerous search engines, but the most widely used by far is Google, which provides access to billions of web pages. The internet also contains a wealth of specialized resources created to help you find useful information. Some specialized resources are government resources and Wikipedia. How to evaluating internet documents, books, magazines, and journals have editorial procedures to determine whether a given work should or should not be published. Once a work is published, it has to be approved by the acquisitions staff for inclusion in the library. Next is interviewing. The research or investigative interview is a time honored way to collect information. It is also an excellent way to gather materials for speeches. In interviewing, there are three stages before the interview, which the outcome decided by preparation. And during the interview, at this stage, you need to be alert and flexible. And after the interview, at this stage, you must review and transcribe your notes. Tips for doing research. Start early, make a preliminary bibliography, text note efficiently, think about your materials as you research. The last is conclusion. There are many resources you can use when gathering information for a speech. If you have personal experience or above average knowledge about a topic, you can use yourself as a resource. Finding what you need in the library is largely a matter of knowing how to search for information. When looking for information online, you require a search strategy that will help you find exactly what you need. To help ensure successful interview, you must prepare, be alert, flexible, and review. And that's my presentation about gathering materials. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.